Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I came across this in our room. This is a very old trend. I saw this among some items that we don't use anymore. I don't know how it got there, but then the scent is 2021, so this is 2023. This is so good. The oils from the Turarenwuta, you see the oils have gotten into the wood, the sandalwood, the sandal flakes, sorry, the sandal coils. But then the powder, the musk and the luban used, you can still see it on the body of the sandal flakes. As in the scent is so amazing. I bought just one to see whether the scent has escaped, but the scent has tripled. Like, this is so fruity and so good. As in, I'm still shocked that I didn't sell this, or like I don't know even how this got into that corner. But you can see, I remember making this with a lot of moss crystals and a lot of sandal powder, which made it to soak up the sugar very fast. You can see soaked up the wood have soaked up the oils. But then if you press it, you still see that you have oil in your hand. You can see. So this is so good, so amazing scent. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to turn this into a beautiful, luxurious looking sandal coils. You can still sell this like this. Trust me, I can sell this and it will, people will love it like this. But to just give it that shiny, beautiful look, let's make some caramel. If you don't know how to make sugar caramel, check my previous videos on how I did that. I will make sure I drop a link of videos with sugar caramel so that you can check them out. And like these videos, guys. Let's get into it, guys. So I've made our caramel. Now let's just add it to our tray. At this point, I added my sugar caramel. This is how my sugar caramel look. It's not too watery, it's not too thick, so make yours like this. If you don't know how to make the sugar caramel, check my previous videos. You will see how I made them. When you add it, make sure you mix it immediately, because it is very hot. Like, at this point it was so hot I almost burnt my hand while mixing it. So just use a spoon to mix it. Don't be like me, use a spoon please. And then mix it immediately, because when it solidifies, or like when it thickens, you won't be able to mix it again. I brought more hot caramel to add, and I'm going to add this quickly, and I'm just going to turn this. Sorry guys, I have to quickly do this. I think you can see the way I did it, but let me just. Okay guys, we are done, and our Turarenwuta is looking luxurious, beautiful as it should be. Yeah, so this is what it was looking like at the beginning when I made it. The reason why it looked like it looked so dry when I got it out is because I saw it in this takeaway pack, this plastic pack for food, plastic plastic plates, yes, for food. So, and it was not even tightly covered, like it was not very secure. You can see how juicy it is. So yummy, man. I wish I can taste this. And the scent is so amazing. This sugar will bring up the scent. You can see. Oh my god. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. And I don't feel guilty. I really don't feel guilty about this. It's so good. I mean, look at this magic. Wow. I'm in love. I'm obsessed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna give this recipe a try. Don't forget to share your pictures with me. My number is always in the description box if you want to purchase this amazing, beautiful and other beautiful looking Turarenwuta which I have in my collection. Send a DM. Trust me, a try will convince you. You will love it. You will love the outcome. We ship worldwide, and we're ready to take your orders, so keep them rolling in. I'm still gonna add some oil perfumes to this. I'm not going to leave this way. I'll add oil perfumes to this because, so let's say this base scent is the fruity scent, then I'm just going to add some sandal oil to this. So so I am done. I've added it to this jar. So I've mixed my oils I'll be using. Like I told you guys, this has been made with amazing oils. So I'll just be adding my palette for this.